Good morning, guys. Hopefully you have a wonderful day so far. Welcome to HR Bow Hunting. You're wishing a lot more from us. We are here in the middle of the bush. Hopefully we are building our own blind here. There's a riverbank over there and we see a lot of tracks.
Fresh animal tracks.
Yeah, fresh animal tracks, different animals. So hopefully we're going to build a blind there. Hopefully our three targets are warthog, impala and baboon. So yeah, hopefully it's a successful hunt. Yeah, tomorrow will be the first hunt of 2026. So yeah.
Well guys, I'm Luvan, he's Ikunal. We are friends since the middle of the year. We are starting to know each other a little bit more. He's like my bow hunting brother. He's the only one I know at school who shoots bow. And that actually has a passion for bow shooting, that just not shoots bow. Yeah, like he says, we are hoping for impala, warthog and baboon here in the riverbed. So yeah, you will see a lot of great shots on this channel, and hope you enjoy this channel. See you in the next video.